Before leaving this topic, I would like to add one more section. This is about power. Actually, this section used to be in other editions, earlier editions of the textbook, but it's kind of scattered around now, so I try to take a minute to put it together again. There are several forms of power. You need to know them, and you need to expect to use them all depending on the situation. Legitimate power. The power bestowed upon you by your title. As principal, that great and hallowed title, you will have automatic power. The only problem with it is that it is temporary. People will obey you because of your title only for so long before you had better prove yourself. If you don't, people may still sort of obey you, but you will lose all respect and hence usefulness. Expert power. The power bestowed on you because of your abilities. No matter what your title, if you show yourself as a leader, you will be acknowledged as one. So, you need to turn that legitimate power to expert power as fast as you can. You need to show that you have earned the title of principal. That is when you truly get respect and when people begin to listen to you. Coercive power. The power that you use to make someone obey you. It is, however, like savings in an account. The more you use, the more you lose. You will have to use it, but be careful to use it sparingly and carefully. Principals who are unsure of themselves often use this as a weapon, but it is useless. People see right through it. Use it when you need to, but make sure you need to when you use it. Referent power. The power gained through personal charisma. Always a useful tool to go along with expert power. But remember, charisma in and of itself is not necessarily positive. After all, Hitler and Jim Jones had charisma. Lemonade, anyone? Empowerment. Your real goal. A real leader learns how to empower people. That is, through the use of team thinking and involvement of your staff in all significant matters, you will find that your group productivity will increase. Make it possible for others to do their jobs. Make all feel important. Acknowledge that everyone has an important function in a team, and you will be surprised what your faculty will and can do. The great thing is, when it all works, you will get the credit. This will be a blend of legitimate, expert, and empowerment, and maybe a little charisma thrown in. One thing more. This is critical, so this is one of Colin's key precepts. No matter what anyone says, no matter what the DOE says, you have one essential job and only one. That is, you are a leader, not a manager. Your primary responsibility is for the instruction and learning of your students. Do not let anyone tell you differently. Does that mean that you don't do managerial things? Of course you do. However, you organize your life so that instruction comes first. Can you always do that? No. But if you don't devote yourself entirely to being an instructional leader, it will be very easy for you to be pulled off tasks into a dozen details. Remember what the book says. Managers do the thing right. Leaders do the right thing.